A thin line of fear divides the extraordinary from ordinary, and just one step across that line sets you free of that fear. A look at the world from 10,000 feet gives you a feel that it belongs to you. With winds gushing onto your face, your mind working in sync with your heart, you are focused. You can feel the adrenaline rush in your veins and hear every breath you take. Then, as if from a distant far land, you hear a voice say, "Jump." And you step into the realm of the most exhilarating experience you can ever have. The world now belongs to you. This is skydiving, and there are those who have done it and those who haven't. Get rid of that fear that holds you from being a winner. Step out and experience the world with confidence, courage, and focus. That's what skydiving is all about. The big question, can you do it? Yes, you can. And Kakani Eagles will help you take that step. So get ready to experience the world of skydiving with Kakani. Though we want you to shed your fears and have the most exhilarating experience, your safety is of paramount importance at Kakani. Therefore, we emphasize on an elaborate and rigorous training regime. The training is imparted by experienced instructors with more than 3,000 free falls to their credit. Their achievements include the training spans across 2 days, which includes theoretical lectures and practical demonstrations aimed at familiarizing you with the flight principles, parts of parachutes, their functioning, the exit procedure, the parachute control, landing, and how to handle emergencies. The lessons on ground would be followed by a written examination. On the third day, after a quick brush up of the lessons learned, you will board the aircraft for jumps. As you ascend to the jump altitude of 4,000 feet, remain focused and relax yourself to cross the tipping point in life. On completion of your jumps, you will be awarded a certificate saying that you have completed a static line training course and parachute jumps, and in the process, you will take the first step to becoming a fully qualified skydiver. Now, as a fully trained beginner parachutist, you can go straight up and jump again. And if you wish to progress in the sport to become a professional freefall skydiver, we will be right beside you. So if you are 18 and medically fit, come on board for the most exciting experience of your lifetime. An experience you would like to live through again and again and again. Skydivers across the world continue to jump at an age beyond 80. Rest assured, you are picking a safe sport. Once you have successfully completed the training, you are all set for the jump. Kakani Enterprises offers 3 different types of jumps. Static line. Broadly speaking, this is the first step in the pursuit of an adventurer learning to fly. The aspirant skydiver jumps out of the airplane from approximately 3,000 to 4,000 feet, and his parachute is opened by the static line connecting the parachute and the aircraft, making it absolutely safe. It takes about 300 feet before the parachute inflates completely. During the whole flight, the student is guided to the ground by either radio contact or ground signals. Tandem or Tandem Assisted Free Fall (TAF). Tandem is considered as a recreational activity. However, TAF is also considered as the stage 1 of learning AFF. Tandem jumping allows first-time jumpers to experience the thrill and excitement of the sport without the preparation and knowledge required for a solo jump. The instructor controls the jump from exit to opening and finally to landing. The student wears a harness attached to the instructor's parachute system. The pair exits the aircraft for a controlled free fall of up to 45 seconds. Instructor deploys the parachute approximately 10,000 feet above the ground and guides you to a safe, soft landing with an extra large ram air parachute. The parachute ride lasts about 5 minutes. Accelerated free fall. Using this method, two instructors securely hold on to you while you leave the aircraft together at 10,000 feet or above. The instructors hold on through the entire free fall of 40 to 50 seconds, supervising and performing what was practiced on the ground. The jumper opens his own parachute at 4,500 feet and follows ground or radio signals to the landing zone. Parachute ride lasts about 4 minutes. This method of instruction was designed as a safe and effective way to progress students through free fall training rapidly. It is often used by those seriously interested in becoming a trained skydiver. If you are filled with life, you have an unmatched vibrant spirit and a penchant for exhilaration, you qualify as a skydiver. Kakani Enterprises offers this exciting opportunity for people of any sex and any age. In past, our instructors have held hands of countless such enthusiasts to achieve such a rare feat through uncompromising safety measures and proper training sessions. Let's hear to some of the adventure enthusiasts who have successfully completed skydiving with our instructors.
बताती है डॉक्टर आपको क्या सूझी कि आप हड्डी तोड़वाने यहाँ आ गई?
एक्चुअली ये काफ़ी सेफ स्पॉट है, इसमें हड्डी एक्चुअली नहीं टूटती है. माय इंस्ट्रक्टर ही हैज़ डन 1600 जंप्स और इससे कहीं ज़्यादा उन्होंने जंप्स करवाए भी हैं. उन्होंने अपने पूरे करियर में एक हड्डी टूटती हुई देखी है. सो इन अ वे देखा जाए तो स्टैटिस्टिक्स के हिसाब से ये दिल्ली की सड़कों पे चलने से तो सेफ ही है.
भरत चौहान, उम्र है 50 साल. 50 साल की उम्र में आपने अपने जीवन का पहला जंप आज किया, क्या सोचकर?
मैं ये सोच रहा था कि ये आज के कैडेट्स कितने लकी हैं कि उनको इतनी जल्दी उम्र में अवसर मिल गया ये जंप्स करने का. मुझे 50 साल तक रुकना पड़ा. पहली बार मौका मिला, बहुत अच्छा लगा.
डर लगा?
बिल्कुल नहीं.
बिल्कुल नहीं, एक सेकंड के लिए भी नहीं?
बिल्कुल नहीं.
जब आपका आधा पैर प्लेन के अंदर और आधा पैर बाहर था और जब जंप मास्टर कह रहे थे गो, फिर?
हमारी जंप मास्टर की ट्रेनिंग इतनी अच्छी थी कि बिल्कुल डर नहीं लगा. हमें पूरा विश्वास था कि हम सही तरह से उतर पाएंगे नीचे.
मैंने 3 जंप्स किया, उसमें एक फ्री फॉल है. जब फ्री फॉल करने के लिए गया था, जब डोर के पास आया, डर तो लगा था, पर मेरे को इंस्ट्रक्टर ने बोला था रोटर को देखते रहो. रोटर को देखा था, जो इंस्ट्रक्टर है वो काफ़ी साल पहले से जानता हूँ मैं उनको. उन्होंने बोला कुछ नहीं होता, चलो वी कैन एंजॉय. इट्स ग्रेट जॉय फॉर मी.
मुझे बहुत ही अच्छा लगा आज के जंप करके. ज़िंदगी में मैं हमेशा रोमांच कार्य करना बहुत पसंद करता हूँ.
Exhilarating. Now I understand why they go up again and again. बार-बार जाने का क्यों है, ऐसे लग रहा है कि जाना ही है.
बहुत ही अच्छा. Like, you know, top of the world, thrilling.
If as a child you ever dreamt of flying like a bird, here's your chance to do it. Skydiving is a have-it-all experience that defies words. It is for those who have discipline, focus, and the nerve to conquer fear. It is the closest you can get to nirvana, as in the realm of clueless consciousness, yet alert. Begin your flight to fantasy with Kakani. Kakni offers this never-before experience at Pantnagar, Hisar, Bhiwani, Sagar and Pondicherry. All you need to do is simply fill up the form and send it to us. Our contact address is